Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Generative AI Unpack. Today's discussion will go a bit advanced level. Today I will discuss about agent development kits or ADK, and next I will show you how to build agent with ADK and how it's perform actually. So the landscape of enterprise automation is undergoing a fundamental transformation, transitioning from traditional rigid scripts to autonomous AI agents, self-sufficient execution, and units capable of complex decision making, planning, and task execution. The Agent Development Kit (ADK) responds directly to these strategic demands by applying standardized software development principles to the creation of AI agents. It serves as a flexible and modular framework designed to simplify the building, deploying, and orchestration of complex agent workflows, effectively moving agent development out of experimental scripts and into governed production-ready pipelines. ADK is architect around the entire software development life cycle, focusing on four core pillars: build, interact, evaluate, and deploy. The comprehensive scope provides integrated developer tooling, including CLI or command line interface tools, and as well as web user interface or UI, ensuring developers can develop and iterate locally with ease. A major differentiator is its commitment to open standards, particularly the native support for the agent-to-agent open protocol. The protocol standardized agent communication, enabling agents to securely and efficiently collaborate and share data seamlessly, regardless of their underlying platform or framework. Furthermore, ADK's polyglot supports for core languages like Python, Go, Java ensure it can be adopted as the orchestration layer with existing diverse enterprise technology stacks. The Agent Development Kit is fundamentally defined as a structured framework that brings standard software engineering principles to AI systems. Although optimized for modules such as Gemini, ADK maintains a model agnostic and deployment agnostic architecture. This allows developers to the flexibility to choose their underlying model, supporting Gemini, other Vertex AI models, and a wide selection of models from providers like Anthropic, Meta, and Mistral AI through light LLM integration. The foundation of agent construction is the base agent class, which acts as the foundational blueprint. Workflow agents are specialized classes, including sequential agent, parallel agent, and loop agent that controls the execution flow of other agents in predefined deterministic pattern. The execution of any agent application is managed by the ADK runtime. The underlying engine that orchestrates agents, tools, and callbacks in response to the user input. The runtime handles the complex flow of information, manages state changes, and mediates interactions with external services such as LLM or storage systems. A core function of runtime is managing session and memory. The system automatically handles short-term conversational memory designed as state within a session, managed by the session service. Furthermore, ADK provides integration points for long-term memory services allowing agents to retain and recall user information and context across multiple interactions. So that's it for the introduction, and now I will make an agent which actually shows real time, current times of different provide cities worldwide with the help of ADK, and I will run it on CLI as well, and as well as web interface or UI. So with no time loss, let's jump over the technical section of the video. Okay guys, so now I will show you how to create an agent with Google ADK. So to do it, at first we will open Windows PowerShell in admin access. So let me open it. And before start to build, at first you have to install the Google ADK via pip install Google ADK, and it will install whatever the files and modules are required. It will install it in your PC. I have already installed it in my PC, so I will show you pip pip show Google ADK. And if the Python and pip is not installed in your PC, then please install it. And next, what we will do, and if you see here, the version of the Google ADK is mentioned here, and it is installed, and it is showing all the information, whatever it requires, it is installed, it is showing all of those information. Next, what we will do, I have created a folder. I will go to that folder path and I will do cd, and let me see where I have created the folder in my local machine. The folder name is ADK tutorial. So I will open it and let me copy it and paste it here. Now the file path has been changed. Here what we will do, we will create our agent. So how to create it? So let me show it to you. Let me make it full screen. Okay. First what we have to do, ADK create. Let's name the project folder like time ADK agent, and let's run it. It will give you some option what to choose. So if you can see, it is asking for choose a model for the root agent. You can choose either Gemini 2.5 Flash or other module. You can fill it later on a manual model. So what I will do, I will opt for Gemini. Then it is asking which model. Then I will again go for Google AI. There is Vertex AI as well. Now check it that it is asking for to set the API key, and it is also giving option that create on API key from AI Studio. So Google AI Studio is providing you free API key generator. So you can generate your API key from there. So I will do it like that way only. So this is Google AI Studio. Here I will click on get API key, and here I will click on create and I will give a name of the key, time ADK agent, and it is asking for opting for a project. So I will click on create project, name of your project, time ADK, let's it be like this, create project. And look, and it will give you option for creating key. You click on it and the key will be created within a second. So if you see, the key has been created and it is billing, it is showing free tire, so it's free. So I will copy it and it is copied. I will go to the PowerShell and I will paste the key, and look, it has created the particular project folder. In the folder contains 3 files. One of the file is .env. This file contains your API key, and if you want to change your API key later point of time, you can always change it by going here directly from the shell. And there is init.py and your code, it is in the agent.py. So we will do some modification in this code. So what I will do, I will go to the particular folder path, which project folder path named time ADK agent. So if I go here, if you see, this is the particular folder has been created over D drive, and I will open Visual Studio Code, and if you see, the folder path has been also visible from here. I will open agent.py here, and then what I will do, so once you open it, the by default code structure, it show you all these options, and if you can see, it is also importing in the agent import agent option as well from Google ADK agents.LLM agent. So what I will do, I will quickly edit this file. I will import some more modules into it. One of them is from geopy dot geocoders import no maintain. This one, this is on module. It actually checks the latitude and longitude of the city and also try to find out that particular city in the Google Maps. Okay, then in the next I will import time zone finder. So this module is helping to find the time zone of that particular city. What I will import time zone finder from it. And next, what we will do, we will import date time to show the particular date time in that particular format. Import date time. So if all these modules are not installed in your particular machine, please install it with the pip command from the PowerShell. Okay, so this is all the modules that I am talking about. Next, what I will do, I will create a class. Okay, and this is for the tool implementation. So let me write it like tool implementation. Define get. So this is the name of the class, current time city, which is string, and I'm storing it as a dictionary, and inside it what we will write, uh, we will write a part of code which actually will help us to find out a particular city and longitude and the current time on that particular city. So let me uh, put some comments there. So this returns the current time in a specified city. Okay, spelling mistake. Specified city. Next, what we'll write, we will create a variable geolocator and we will call the name time module here, and inside that we will pass the user input. Okay, then we will write another another variable called location, and in that variable we will put geolocator and geocode of that particular city which is provided. Next, we will define latitude and longitude. Location, we will call the location here dot latitude and location dot longitude. Let me see the spellings. LATITUDE longitude. Okay, fine. Next, we have given the coordinates. This section will return us the coordinates. Next, we will find out the times. What is the time zone of that particular coordinate? So this is a TF called the time zone variable. It is calling the time zone finder function, and the TZ I'm defining another string and calling the TF with time zone at longitude. Okay, sorry, longitude and we are calling longitude inside it and latitude inside it. Next, what we will do, we will do this get time. We will find out the get we will call the get time in this particular section now, and this is we are defining time zone, and inside that we're calling pytz and time zone, and calling the tz string inside it, and current time variable inside which we are calling the time now, current time for current time of that particular time zone. Okay, now what we will do, we will format it so that in a formatted time format. So we will define that formatted time equals to current time dot string time, and inside it we'll put a format of in which we want it. This is not colon, this is stop. This is colon only, and okay, P. And next what we will do, we will return the status, because we want to know what is our status we are getting, and yes, we have to return the CT as well. CT variable I have already defined, and next time, and inside it we have to give for formatted time. That's it, our function. It's like this. This is our function, and in the next we will write that function here. We will call it get current time. Yes, this is the function, and let me change the description, like let me write it tells the current time of a given city, and instruction I will also provide it to you here. You are a helpful assistant that tells the current time in cities use the get current time tool for this purpose. Okay, I have provided the single quote there, so let me change it to double quotes. Cool. So our code is ready. This is the simple code which I have written. Let me save it, and next what I will do, I will run this particular code in the command prompt or the PowerShell. So let me close this. Everything is fine. I can see. I think it's okay. Yes, let me quickly check it once more. Why it is showing a red there. Okay, okay. This is not a tuple. Let me put the okay status success. Okay, fine. City time, formatted time. Okay, all good. So I will save it, and let me go to the PowerShell, and what I will do, I will quickly run it using ADK run. Now my agent name, the agent name that I have given at the first, which is time ADK agent. So time ADK agent. Okay, so it started processing. Okay, okay. So if you see here, it is giving a prompt. I will ask you, who are you? I am asking the agent. The agent is saying, I am an AI assistant that tells the current time in cities. Okay, so I will ask you, what is the time of Kolkata now? Okay, okay, so it is showing that the model is overloaded. Please try again. So it may happen. If such kind of things happens, in that point, what you have to do, you have to run it again. Means it is possible if the server is not responding, the then at that point of time it throws such kind of 503 unavailable error. So I will rerun it. Let me clear the screen. Okay, and I will rerun it, and it started. I will ask, who are you again, and it is giving that thing. I am an helpful assistant that tells the current time in cities. I use get current time, that function, for this purpose. So I will ask, what's time now in Kolkata? Okay, it is saying that it has got an unexpected keyword argument LAN. So I think there is a code error. Let's jump into the code section again and let's find it what it is saying. So yes, it's saying that there is a error in the code section and it's called LAN. Okay. So here it will not be LAN, it will be LNG, longitude. Okay. So let me save it and let me see if it runs okay or not now. Everything else is fine. Let me quickly cross verify it again one more time. Lat long LNG latitude. Okay, fine. Let's see. Hopefully it will work now. I will clear it. I will run this ADK runtime ADK agent. Okay, let's try once more. Who are you? Is saying and time of Kolkata. Let's see. Okay, look, it is giving time of Kolkata is 9:33 p.m. and if you see here, it is same 9:34 p.m. It is just happened 9:34 p.m. So I will do one more time or two more time. I will show you how it is showing for different cities all over the world. Okay, so at first we will take some other city like time of Pune. Let's see. So it's like the server is not taking at that point of time. So it's not a kind of error in your code and it may happen. So you don't have to get afraid of it. So let's do one more time. Okay. Okay. Let's go for Pune. Current time of Pune is 9:35 p.m. And let's do for another city which is outside of India. Like I will take Beijing. Beijing. Let's say current time of Beijing is 12:06 a.m. So let's verify it. So Beijing is in China. Beijing time now 12:06 a.m. Okay, and let's do it for once more. Islamabad. Let's see. Current time of Islamabad is 9:06 p.m. Okay, let's also see it from Google. Nine zero seven p.m. it just happened. So like this way we can do one for one more. Let's see if it is giving or not. Let's take Colombo. Current time of Colombo is 9:37 p.m. So let's see Colombo current time 9:37 p.m. Okay, so this is from the command line. If you want to exit, you can type exit and it will exit you from the code. Next, what you can do it also, you can run it in web interface as well. So what for that, what have you have to do? So ADK web, you have to define the port. So I am using a 800 actually is the actually localhost port, and this command will give you will host your agent in a website. So let's see that. Okay, so if you can see here, ADK web server started for local testing access in this site address it is giving. So I will copy it and I will go here and we'll start it. Here it is asking for select an agent. So what we will do, time ADK agent. This is the agent we have created. So we'll ask it hi, and if you can see, it is just like a chatbot or agent, which actually you see in your daily basis in different websites, and that actually helps in different works when you ask different kind of questions. So I will ask it current time of Kolkata, so it is getting current time only. So if you see, it is giving 9:39 p.m. We will do one more time. We will ask for Tokyo. It is giving 1:09 a.m. So let me see current time of Tokyo. Yeah, same 1:10 a.m. So that's it. Like this you can create an agent which actually helps you with ADK, and it actually helps you for different kind of works at how you will actually use it on that basis, and it will always help. And why I am giving you option for ADK, because it is worldwide and it is easy to use, and as I have already told that it is compatible with other frameworks as well, and it is model agnostic, deployment agnostic as well. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share the video more and more so more people can get knowledge about it. And if you like my video series, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.